Hey guys, welcome to another video, and guess where I'm at? I'm in Jamaica. Meet my friends. I haven't seen them in 5 years. Rochelle, Javid. Oh my god! I'm so excited. So we came yesterday and I can't even express how much frustrated it is. Like, we're in Jamaica without clothes. We're in Jamaica without underwear. That's what we're living through right now. And Tia came with me. She came with us to Jamaica. So we're at the beach right now. We came to Frenchman and we're just going to chill and enjoy ourselves. So yeah, I'm going to take you along with the journey. Bye. Bye. If you can, but that's Tyler and baby. This is the beach, guys.
Taking it off might be the hard part. That's fine. I'm gonna hold them up. Like pull the bottom, like really that's
And we're under this coconut tree. This is the spot here. It's outside. Enjoying the water, guys. Look at this. You can see. Look at that mermaid. You can see the bottom of the water. Oh, come get your swing pick. Swim. Yeah. So this was the same day. We just got finished with the beach and just head to a river. It's called Rio Grande. It's beautiful and dangerous. What did I say about the car? Ufa juices. Yeah, give me the this is what you got vlog for sure. Y'all, who is this? Bessie in the testy. And Camario, baby cried. Coming to me. Mama. So we went to Jamaica for like 4 days, including a holiday. It wasn't a lot of time. Plus our stuff got lost. So it was just very fast paced, very chaotic, and a lot of stuff going on at one time. So we were doing like 2 to 3 activities per day. So this is another day, and we were just heading to another beach, and we also went to um what's that place in that place in St. Margaret's Bay. I don't remember the name, but that's where we went to and we had fun. We wanted to go to the North Coast, did all those wonderful stuff, but time was of the essence and we didn't have time. So next time we will do all those fun stuff. And that's my friend and her baby again.
That's right, this one. Where am I? You look different than calm down. Hey. Oh. Why am I gonna show so clear? I'm a pastor though. Yeah, it's like I don't know how to drip. You cannot drip. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm the teacher. Say something. Okay. Oh yeah, I from the video light. Where I from the video light for? Chantel, what's him? I am blessed every day of my life. I am blessed when I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to rest. Mind for my money and my money for my mind. The shatters them a breed the dollar sign. The shatters them a breed the dollar sign. Anyway you see me wait.